Hello, I'm Kotar, and in this video we're going to grow some tomatoes from seed. So I have roughly 25 varieties of them. So here I have the beefsteaks, so they are larger and meatier. So here I have some Belmonte, black tomato, chocolate striped tomato, yellow and orange tomato, black princess tomato. So it's very nice. So here are the usual beefsteaks. So there are similar varieties, and the most common thing they have in common is their size, so they are big. So here I have medium size tomatoes. They're usually in bunches of 5 to 6. So here I have Saint Pierre, which is in my opinion the best of those. So here I have one hybrid of Saint Pierre, but it isn't any better in my opinion. So here I have black ones, orange ones, the yellow ones, and some 2 other varieties of the red ones, which are almost the same as Saint Pierre. So then I have some Roma tomatoes. So I will be going striped Roman tomato and San Marino. So those 2 are the best for now. So now I have cherry tomatoes. So the black cherry, the wild cherry, or the currant cherry, which is very small. So just something like this. So here we have gold nugget cherry, which is yellow, the tiger cherry, which is red and greenish, and here I have yellowish green tomato with potato leaf, and here I have sweet minion cherry, and for the end I have some grape cherry or date cherry. So black edition and the red edition. So small ones and bigger ones, and that's it for the varieties. So that's roughly 25 of them. So I'm planting in pots like this for the bigger quantities, and pots like this for smaller batches, so I can plant just one variety in this. So if I can decide, so it's somewhere in the middle of those 2, I usually plant them in pot like this. So this is usually for 10 to 15 plants in one cell, and this is for a few hundred. So this is for around 50, 60 or something like this. So let's plant some tomatoes. So let's plant striped one. So let's put the tag in. So you usually plant tomatoes in the end of February if you're planning to plant them outside in the May. So you can also plant them earlier in the year. So if you have a greenhouse or something like this. So let's put a little bit more. Oops. So these are my own seeds from last year that I fermented So you can see the video in the description, how to ferment your tomato seeds so they will germinate faster and have high rate of germination. So after planting, I usually cover them with vermiculite lightly, and then water them and put it in warm place for few days or until they sprouted and grow, and they are put in the little bit cooler place with a lot of light or in a greenhouse so they can grow on full sun, and they are then transplanted into those pots. So we can plant this in this 10 centimeter pot, or you can plant it in 12 centimeter pot if you will have them in pot for longer time. So see you guys when I'll be transplanting them into bigger pots. So thanks for watching, have a nice day and goodbye. So here are the tomatoes. The germination rate is pretty okay, but only this variety is very bad, so not sure what is wrong, but these are the tomatoes after a week or so, maybe more. So let's go to the next stage when we'll be transplanting them.